the instant coffees na nabili ko. I'm a very, very huge fan of their instant coffee, especially the brand of Bendy. So, matagal ko na inaay ito. Syrup siya, na liquid syrup. So, concentrated siya. You just have to add milk or water. So, I bought a lot of this one. I bought the matcha one, the Nescafe, parang caramel coffee. I even bought a milk tea. Then, blend na caramel flavor. I think you can just add this one also to the milk and ice cream. Nakapagyato siya. Then, eto, na-try ko na ito before and I'm telling you, it's so good. The Blendy coffee. Nasirahan yung box ko. So, it's a stick one. It's a Blendy coffee stick. Yan. Ito nyo ba? Yan. It's so good. Also, their matcha one. It's so good. Yan. Highly recommended siya. Then, the Nescafe Gold. Iba yung lasa ng instant noodle nila. Instant coffee nila. Especially this one, the Nescafe Gold. It is so good. It can be used in hot or cold coffee. Then, ay, bumili pa pala ako ng isa pa. Marami ako nabili nga nito. Pamimigay ko yung iba. Then, what else? Yun, puro guys na binili ko eh. For mga, yan, syrup. Syrup yung mga binili ko. May mga nagpabili rin naman. So, kaya madami siya. Hindi yung binili ko na instant. Kasi marami na rin naman. I bought those coffee. I need coffee in my work. Kaya yun. The next one is the snacks. Sobrang dami kong biniling snacks. Yung iba naman pabili. Pero most of it is sa akin. So, yun. Ayan. Isa pang bag is coffee again. Coffee. The Blendy one. I'm not sure if it's good, but I'm sure it's good in a way. Kasi, yung gumawa is Blendy. The brand. So, I like the Blendy brand. I think it's Japan brand. So, for the first snack is the Alfort, as usual. I bought the matcha one, the original one, the vanilla one, yan, and I'm missing one more. Hold on. Sa isang bag. So, I bought this one. The parang strawberry one. It's so good as well. So, this one. So, I bought all kinds of Alfort. Then, I bought the Ghana na brand. Masarap din to. Hindi siya super tamis. So, I bought the strawberry and the white chocolate. Then, this one, I bought this one, the creamy cake. Masarap siya. Na-try ko na siya. Pero hindi ako super fan ng cheese, but it's good hindi cheese lover. So it's good. Then next is the Starbucks na matcha. Hindi ako super fan ng matcha ng Starbucks, but it's not bad. Mas prefer ko lang talaga yung Blendy one, but this is okay. 4 pieces per box. The next one is the Jelly. Jelly. Masarap to. So, you have to try this one. I bought 2 bags. 1 bag each flavor. Parang mix naman na to sa isang bag. Ayan. Sabi nila, it's 0 calories. Pwede ko niwala. Masarap pa rin siya. So, it doesn't matter how many calories it is. So, this one are good. These are jellies. And speaking of jelly, there is one more na parang talagang binibili ko. Pag may Japan store. This one, Uha. I bought different flavors, but my favorite one is the original one, the grape one. It is so good. But may nakita ako na ito, the melon. I think season kasi ng melon eh. Or parang honeydew ata to. Marami ako na-try na flavor sa Japan na ganito, na honeydew. It is so good. So, I think naman itong Uha is gonna be good as well. So, why not try it? Try na natin. Tayo naman kakain na ito eh. Let's try. It smells so good. It smells so good. So, ganito siya. It's the jelly one. Sarap. So good. Buti bumili ako na to. Sarap. So, I bought 5, I think, or 4. So, this one are good. Pandagdag pa rin sa kitchen na food namin. This one is so good. White creamy sauce siya. Natry ko siya. Sobrang sarap nito. At ma-creamy talaga, malasa. You have to try this one. And next one is the green macadamia. So, I bought 10 pieces. Iba bibenta ko. Iba naman for personal. Ayan. So, this one is so good. And then, I bought Dars. Dars one. I bought the strawberry and the white. These are good. Mura lang din siya. Pwede siya ipamigay. Hindi mabilis mag-expire. So, it's good. And of course, Kit Kats. So, these Kit Kats, na-try ko lang siya. Ito na-try ko na. It's so good. It's orange chocolate. And they have a new one, the cookies and cream. Yan. And this one is Sakura flavor. Limited edition lang siya. So, bumili ako kasi yung Sakura season. And then this one, binili ko kasi cute. Si Hello Kitty. Hindi ako fan ni Hello Kitty, pero cute lang siya. So, I bought this. Ito ba? This one, melon. So, sasabi ko, medyo season ata ng honeydew and melon doon. I bought this one. It's like a jelly thing. I haven't tried this one. It looks so good. Kung ito, masarap siya. I bet this one is good as well. So, the next macadamia that I bought is this one. This one is butter and caramel. Hindi na ako bumili yung original one, the chocolate one. So, the next one is the Country Ma'am. And I just bought the original one, the white and the chocolate coffee. White and coffee ata to. It is so good. Meron dati binigay sa akin si mommy na honeydew flavor din. Sobrang sarap. Kaso wala akong nakita. I just bought this one. And this one naman, ibang brand siya, pero it's macadamia nut. It looks so good. I haven't tried this one. Pero mukha nang masarap. So, let's try. Why not? Next bag! My God, ang dami naming food. Hindi kami magugutom. Okay, strawberry na Alford. And then, Kit Kats. I bought this one. It's a peach one. I haven't tried this one, pero fan ako ng peach na things. Any peach with Japan. Katulad na ginamit ko na dry wipes, dry shampoo wipes. It's peach, it's so good. It smells so good. So, I bought this one, Kit Kat. Then, the matcha one. This one is matcha chocolate. Kasi pagdating mo doon, iba-ibang klaseng matcha. So, I bought the matcha chocolate. And then the peach one. What else? Oh, eto. Hindi, mamaya na lang to. Mamaya na to. Next one is this one. The pistachio one. This one is good. I've tried this before already. It's so good. Pero maliit lang talaga siya. Medyo, di siya pahal. Hindi na siya sobrang mura. Pero, konti lang kasi yung laman nito. Next. I'm a fan of Pocky. Like, ito. Yung Pocky na to kasi kakain na siya. Hindi siya yung normal Pocky na maliliit lang. So, this one is huge. So, I bought a lot. Like, never like a lot. Pero, one each of the flavor. So, this one, the honeydew. Yeah. The melon, sweet melon honeydew ata to. Then, the orange one. So, sa isang bag, may 10 pieces ata. 18 packs. 18 packs siya. And then, I bought the cherry one. Yan. Grapes. And sake. Yan. So, ko sa Don Quixote kayo bibili, hindi lahat ng flavor na ito meron. So, may pinasukan na kami sa store sa may Ueno, I think. So, nakita ko ang dami yung flavors. I bought all the flavor one. Tada! So good. So excited to try this one. Yung iba, ipamimigay ko rin naman sa mga close friends. Pero pinapiraso lang. Then, what else? Next bag. Almost done na tayo. Then, pahabol sa mga pampaganda or whatever na personal things. you have to buy this one, Gatsby cooling wipes. So these wipes, when you spread it, when you wipe on your body, it gives off a very cooling sensation. Masarap siya kapag summer and nasa work ka. Pag pinahid mo lang siya, mahanginan, sobrang cool. And then the smell is so good. So I bought 4 of this one. Kasi nga summer na rito and I'm working on the field. This one is so helpful. And then this one, it's so cute. I just bought one because it's cute. Then for the KitKat, additionally is this 2. So these 2 KitKat are parang special KitKat. Medyo pricey siya. But I haven't tried this one. This one is sake. They both are sake pala. One Japan sake and the other one is ume sake. Meron pa ako kanina isang pinakita. It's sake as well. It looks so good. Kasi parang kakaiba siya. Kasi nga naman, Japan is known for their sake. So, I bought this one to try. Hopefully, it's so good. Hindi ko sila binili. Then, this one, it's a Sakura latte. Sa isang box, you will get 4 pieces. So, this one is just limited edition during the Sakura festival. So, sakto meron pa siya I hope it's good. I bought 2 boxes of this one. For personal consumption lang naman siya. Yan, Starbucks yung brand. Then, the Royal Milk Tea. I have this one, the matcha one. This matcha is good as well. I've tried this before. It is good. And then this one, the original one. I've tried also this one before. It's so good. Like milk tea, not sweet, pero malasa. So, I bought 1 each for myself. Selfish ako. So, for myself lang. Yan. The next one is the noodles. So, as we all know, Japan is parang kingdom of noodles. So, ang dami yung noodles. So, as usual, we bought this one. It's an Ichiran noodles. Natikman namin yung totoong Ichiran noodles doon sa restaurant. It is good. It's almost kalasa na to. Itong instant na to. But the lifespan of this one, ang mga noodles here is maikli lamang. So, if you can't go to some US just to try this one, just buy the instant one. It's good. It comes with another package of 2 pieces per box. And this one is 5 pieces per box. Then, when we went to Cup Noodle Museum, so, nag-design ng aming own noodles. I have 3 of this one. One for me, dad, and my mom. So, we have 3 of this one. You can choose whatever flavor you want. There's choices like original one, curry, seafood, and spicy ata. So, we have the seafood, the original, and the curry one. So, I bought this one as well. It's a mini one. Maliit lang siya. Like, compare mo siya. Ito yung regular size, and then this is the mini one. So, I bought 1 box. It's like 4 pieces sa isang box. It looks so good because it's tonkatsu. Wala siyang meat sa loob, pero it tastes like meat. So, tastes like meat talaga siya. And ito, ever since bata ako, I like this one. This one is so good. It's yakisoba. So, you can add anything you want as toppings. And this one, I haven't tried this one, but it's tonkatsu as well, I think. And it looks so good. And another one, this one. Yan. Hindi ako siya nagbili ng mga cup noodles or mga noodles. Technically kasi meron pa ako stock dyan. Pwede rin ni mommy before. And then, masaglit lang ang kanyang lifespan. So, hindi kami nag-stock masyado ng mga ganito. So, pandagdag sa mga paganda. I bought this one. It's mascara. It volumizer eyelashes. Like ako, wala akong eyelash. Lagi ako nag-falsy. So, ito, it helps daw. Natry ko na siya before. It's good. And especially my favorite, the eyeliner one. This one is so good. Then, pumuli rin ako ng eyelash extension. So, hindi ko alam kung okay siya. I haven't tried this one, but hopefully it's good. I just bought one. And pag bumili ka nitong mascara nito, you have to have this one, pampatanggal. Kasi since sobrang waterproof niya, hirap niya tanggalin. You need yung pampatanggal niya. So, that's it. So, the next one we bought are the anik-anik. So, Alex saw this one, the Lego brick heads. So, mura daw to. So, we bought this one in Akihabara. We bought this one. And then, nakita niya to. So, he bought this one as well. Hindi ko na kung magkano yung bili niya. But he said it's rare find and it's a good price. So, he bought this one. It's Akihabara din. Maraming toys doon na makikita ninyo na rare finds. And then, this one, I bought this on Disney store. It's so cute. See? Yeah. It's a coffee mug. So, marami pa akong coffee mug, pero cute eh. So, I just bought this one. I bought the Mickey Mouse. Kasi binili rin namin si Amari na kanyang stuffed toy na Minnie Mouse. So, yan. Sinabay ko lang siya para mayroon akong tax refund. And then, I saw this one. It is so cute as well. It's a bonsai with Pikachu inside. Hindi ko pa siya na-open, but sa picture, ang cute niya. Ayan siya. Hindi kami naglaro sa mga claw machine or sa mga gacha-gacha. Kasi parang baka ma-addict lang ako. So, let's not dive into it. Ayan siya. Nakabit mo pa lang pala siya. Hindi pa naikakabit. Kasi Pikachu. Ayan, bonsai. So, nakabit ko siya. Like, ilan yung picture. The next one is from Daiso. So, if given the chance na nakapag-shopping ako sa Daiso, siguro marami ako magbili. Kasi nga, sobrang mura niya. 100 din. So, parang lumalabas 3 dirhams lang isa. So, I bought some things lang naman. Ayan. So, para sa mga yan o, kakat mo yung food, tapos parang i-scrape mo siya, makuha mo lahat. So, this is 100 yen. And then, excited ako para sa mga babies ko para, mga molders. 100 yen each lang. And then, for meatballs, wala lang, cute lang siya. Then, ito, hindi to Daiso. Ay, ito pa pala. So, it helps with the opening of bottles. Hindi siya Daiso, but nakita namin sa Don Quixote. Alex like this one. So, puzzle siya. Ayan. So, we have Sunny. Dalawang Sunny. 1,000 Sunny. And the other one is a castle. Medyo pricey siya, but it looks so good. Nakita namin display. It's so good. It looks so good. So, yeah. We bought 3. And then, in Mount Fuji pala, nakita namin ito. So, this one. A keychain. So, it's so cute. I just bought it kasi cute lang siya. So, the next find is yung apparel. So, On Cloud is so cheap in Japan. Di ko sure kung comparing with Switzerland. Kasi nabili ko sa akin sa Switzerland. It is not too expensive. But comparing here in UAE, it's so expensive. Dito sa UAE, yeah. So, Alex bought his on shoe. So, third pair na niya. Kasi yung 2 pairs ng yung dalawa is nasira na. Sobrang used niya yung nag-run siya. It's parang 500 dirhams lang pag kinonvert mo siya. Then, he also bought one more shoe. Siya lang bumili. Hindi ako bumili ng shoe. So, he bought a Hoka shoe. It's for his running as well. Kasi mag-back na siya sa kanyang triathlon training. He bought a good shoe. He said it's very cheap. And then, another shoe that we bought is for our next baby. Yeah, this one. So, we bought him or her, either naman, bagay sa kanya to. So, we bought a Nizuka Tiger. Yan. So, we bought him or her this one, a high-cut shoe, classic one with Tokyo at the back. It's so cheap. Parang ano lang ata siya. 175 dirhams. I'm not sure. Try ko kung magkano siya. Kasi mura lang to. Kasi with tax refund ko siya. Next na apparel na nabili namin is this one. I didn't buy any shoes because may dalawa na ako on. Tapos, hindi naman ako ma-shoe person. Tapos, may Salomon pa ako. Hindi ko nagagamit lagi. So, I decided, kahit gusto ko, hindi na ako bumalik. Kasi sayang lang. So, next is we bought this one. It's so nice. It's a Japan na clothing. Ayan. See. Ano mo kita ninyo? But this one. Yan. Japan. So, na-try namin to nung nasa kami. Sa onsen. So, I bought this one. It's not a kimono, pero it's like a kimono na jacket lang siya. So, I bought the pink one. Pinkish one siya. Yan. And then, Alex bought terno. One upper and lower. Nasa picture, pero color. But almost the same na itsura niya. And we bought this on a thrift shop. yung sa kanya brand new, sa kanya second hand, and it's just around 3,500 ata na isa. So it's so good. It's a good souvenir. Okay, second to the last na to. Sobrang dami namin nabili. We bought in the duty free. So, nag-duty free kami doon. Kasi nga, yung mga items ako hindi nahanap na nandoon. So, usually, I saw this KitKat in Don Quixote. Pero, nung bumalik ako, wala na siya. And then, I saw it on duty free. Sobrang mahal niya. Alay ng difference. Parang 300 yen. More expensive dun sa duty free. But then, gusto ko siya tikman. So, I bought this one. And, of course, Tokyo Banana. Hindi mawawala yan. Tokyo Banana. It's so good. We tried this one for 6 pieces lang ata. Ito, 12 kasi to. So, before I buy this one, bumili na kami and tinikman. It's so good. Pagkakagat mo siya, meron siyang feeling ng banana. So, it's so good. Pero expiration is saglit lang talaga. So, I think 1 week lang kanyang lifespan. Then next, we bought this one. The milk and cheese. Sobrang mahal ito sa Pilipinas. This one is, yung tatlong klase siya. Isang cheese lang, isang honey, isang strawberry. Parang ganun siya. Try ko makalagay ako ng picture. So, sabi niya na masarap. I haven't tried this one, but I hope it's so good. Then next, I saw this one in Don Quixote in the airport. So, hinanap ko siya. This one is the KitKat and Tokyo Banana. It is so good. Sobrang sarap ito. If you have a chance, it's highly recommended by this one. And of course, hindi mawawala ang ating Royce. I bought a Royce one, the chip, chocolate, original one, and saan ba isa? The Royce matcha, the chip. Yan. And then I bought the Royce chocolate, at 4 na flavor. Then I bought this one, the Royce chocolate, 4 flavors, the original one, the mild milk, the matcha, and the ano ba to? Uji matcha. So, I don't know this. This 4, I bought only 4 kasi ang bilis ng expiration niya. So, ayokong masayang. Mura lang siya doon, nasa 800 yen. Pag sa labas ka bumili, nasa 900 yen. Not too different naman. But, pagdating mo sa airport, you can buy this one anywhere. Yan. Then, almost done. I bought a sake cup. Airport na. And then KitKat. Nakamatayang KitKat. Ah, ito pala Royce. This Royce Sakura. Hindi ko naman ano siya, but Royce Sakura siya. Dahil Sakura, binili ko. Then, this one, the KitKat. KitKat na melon. Dahil melon siya, binili ko siya. And then the last one that we bought in there is eto, papaputi na ng kilikili. Doon ko na siya nakita. Hinahanap ko siya everywhere. Sa airport ko na siya nakita. So, I bought this one. And the last bag. So, this is the last bag that we bought sa Japan. Naka-seal pa naman. Hindi ko na yung open. So, we bought sake. And, so we bought 3 sake and plum wine. The plum wine, nakatry kami sa izakaya. It is so good. Homemade siya. Pero ito, hindi ko lang kung masarap siya. But, itong plum wine, hopefully masarap din siya. So, that's it. Yun lang yung aming haul for Japan. So, ano lang kami, 2 weeks lang doon. So, that's our video for today. Sana may makakita kayong magustuhan niyong bilhin. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye! So guys, while I was doing or editing the video for my Japan haul, I forgot the most important thing that I bought in Japan. Sabi ko, makalimutan ko na lahat, hindi ko na mabili lahat, pero kailangan bilhin ko to. So this is the item that I bought na talagang binuhat ni Alex. So I bought this one. So I bought a Zoji Joshi 10 cups rice cooker. Yes, friends, I bought a rice cooker. So we bought a rice cooker in Japan mismo. Why? Because they are very known for the quality of the rice cooker, and then it's a foolproof rice cooker really. So even if mali ang aking pagtatakal ng water against sa cups of grains, it will still look out and come out perfectly. So it's a perfect rice. Yes, it is quite heavy, but it is worth it. So, kahit may mga items doon na 110 talaga. Kasi nga 110 ang Japan. But for this rice cooker, they have this exclusive rice cooker for export. So it's a 220. So I bought this one. Yun lang. So it's worth it. Worth buy.